Can you guess what movie was filmed here? This is one of the best and highest rated restaurants in the world. Right, so obviously this is a start. I wasn't good at this. Isn't even the starting for. That's to cleanse the palate. So obviously I wasn't going to take a video of me trying the bread. But I tell you, you've never tasted any. That's the nicest thing I've ever had in that. Right, so this is one of the meals. This is what was this called?
It's salmon and haddock.
Some sort of salmon. I don't know. That's caviar as well. So this here we got the duck, the Daffy Duck, and Ryan's went for the beef. Wow,
Wagyu.
look at that beef wagyu.
We got this as a complimentary from the chef as well. So look how amazing this is. Go on, let me try it first. Let me
Wow,
try it.
yeah.